The first thing you need to do for this project is to attach a lot of command hooks. I also used these command cord bundlers. My garlands have a loop on the end. I began hanging one vertically and used the cord bundlers to keep it attached close to the wall. Next, I used a different hook and used a number of the command hooks and cord bundlers to attach the second garland across the top horizontally. The garlands are up and it's time to tie a big, beautiful red velvet bow. I attached my bow with a pipe cleaner to the corner where all of the garlands meet. The streamers can then be tucked right into the garlands. I picked up these oversized red jingle bells at Michael's and used a pipe cleaner to attach them securely. There you have it, a beautiful lush garland to transition from one room to the other.
Save your pickle jars, especially the large ones. They can make beautiful seasonal decor. Put it in a bath of warm, soapy water. Make sure you get that pickle odor out of there. Take that label right off. Start by grabbing a roll of contact paper. Cut out a little star shape, and I'm just gonna trace it onto the contact paper. And I'm gonna cut out about a dozen stars in different sizes. Peel the back off and place them all around your pickle jar. Once all the stars are placed, it's time to paint this. We are going to use a frosted glass spray paint. So once you've got 2 coats on there, grab a tweezer and we're gonna pull off those stars right away. I'm gonna use some rope from the dollar store and a Christmas sprig with some red berries and some green leaves. Once all the embellishments are on, I'm gonna use a battery-powered tea light to drop on the inside. And that's it. Save those pickle jars and turn them into beautiful lanterns for the holiday season.